Welcome to my channel, The Physio. Let us know about osteoporosis. Osteo means bone, porosis means pores in the bone. It is characterized by reduction in bone density due to decrease in the bone mass. Now, let us know about the causes of osteoporosis. If a person have vitamin D deficiency or calcium, it can cause soft, thin, blistered bone. This condition is known as rickets in children and osteoporosis in adults. Menopause, bone loss. Most of the women suffer from osteoporosis when they reach to the age of menopause because women tend to have smaller, thinner bones than men. Estrogen is a hormone in the woman that protects bones. It decreases sharply when woman reaches menopause, which can cause bone loss. Then they develop osteoporosis. Age is another cause. As you grow older, there will be reduction in bone density due to decrease in bone mass. Diet. Diet plays a main role in our life. If a person have poor diet, it can cause osteoporosis. Genetics. Osteoporosis can occur due to genetics also because genetic factors play an important role in bone mineral density, skeleton geometry, and bone turnover. Risk factors of osteoporosis like caffeine, alcohol abuse, sedentary lifestyle, underweight, smoking, and low calcium and vitamin D. How to identify if a person is osteoporotic or not? Symptoms like back pain. Back pain can occur due to compression fracture of the spine. These fractures can be very painful because the collapsed vertebra may pinch the nerves that radiate out from the spinal cord. Height loss. It occurs due to the disc between the vertebra in the spine dehydrate and compress. Stooped posture. Osteoporotic patients most often break bones in the upper spine. When the bone breaks, they can cause pain, height loss, and stooped posture. Fracture. Osteoporotic fracture occur because bones become more fragile due to low bone mass. The most common fracture is vertebral fracture in osteoporosis. Now let us know about radiological features. These features can be noticed on X-rays. There will be loss of vertical height of the vertebra due to collapse. The other feature is codfish appearance. This occurred due to the disc bulges into the adjacent vertebral bodies so that the disc becomes bioconvex. Other investigations like biochemistry of serum calcium, phosphates, and alkaline phosphates are within the limits we have to know. Blood plasma proteins and plasma albumin may be low. Densitometry. It is another method to quantify osteoporosis. There are two types of bone densitometry: ultrasound densitometry and DEXA scan X-ray. This helps to quantify the bone mass. Then we can also know by bone biopsy to quantify the bone mass. Thank you. If you like it, give a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.